All right, so we have Lila here. She's been dealing with some colic, and we are going to get her some help with that today. So slight pressure. We're going to contact here in the upper neck throughout a couple of places in her spine today. All right. Slight push here. Yeah, you got her head there.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, great adjustment. You're set.
Yeah.
Oh.